Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add custom fonts in Google Slides or Google Docs. So I will show you the easy way. Okay, let me open first Google Docs and Google Slide. I have opened both of. Just open. Okay, so there is a simple way you can add new fonts, custom fonts. So first way, just insert the text box here. Okay, and now yeah, okay, let me insert again. It is gone. It is inserted. Now this option will become here for format option. Okay, you can go format option from here also. And now you will see the this font option. Now this is a font name. Just click on this teeny dot and you will find all fonts which Google Docs or Google Slide has. Now if you want to add more, you can click on more fonts. Okay, so you will see all Google fonts here. You can search by name. Okay, and whatever you want to add, just click on it. This font will be highlighted with blue color, and it has been add to your list. Okay, so just click the font will be add here and just click on OK. It will be add. Now I'm going to show you the another way. If you want to find some different fonts and any, so go to the Google and search Google fonts, and here the first link you will come, just open it and you will find all fonts here. Okay, so you can find all fonts. And okay, you can also like click on icon. You will see icon. This is like icon. If you want to add icon, you can add icon also, but we are talking about fonts. So you can uh, find fonts here, and here you can fonts, alphabets fonts. You can filter some alphabet fonts and any paragraph font, anything. So whatever you want, you can just search. Just click on custom. Okay, now so you have to find fonts here. Just search font you want, and here you can see this is a font name. This is font name is PT Surfy. Just remember this name, or you can take the note like what was the name? PT Serif. PT Serif. The font name, just copy it, go to the Google Slide or Google Docs, and here you can search it and you will find this font. Just click on add it and just click OK. Now just you can find this font here. Okay, you can find the font here. This was font. Okay, now you can add the same way you can add on Google Docs also. Go here, go and more, and you can add the font. Once you add font in slide, and then in Google Doc also you will see like same font. Okay, you have to add in Google Docs separately. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.